You read that? That Florida officer got no charges. How can they say he did nothing when the guy was punched in the face?
I know it sounds awful, Liam, but prosecutors looked at body cam footage too. They said his orders were lawful.
Lawful? He threw a punch. And McNeil's phone video is just one side of the story. It's like the police are rewriting history.
The phone clip is incomplete, but the body cam shows he was resisting. The officer had to break the window and then it escalated. It's not a clean case.
Resisting? He refused to leave a stopped car because he didn't want to get stuck with a ticket. That's not resistance, that's something else.
He also didn't obey multiple commands, like opening the door and exiting. The report says 12 lawful orders were given.
12? He was just trying to keep his car safe. Then they dragged him out. That's assault. And why would a city strip him of duties, but not investigate policy violations?
The sheriff's office is already reviewing whether policy was breached. It's standard procedure to suspend an officer pending investigation.
Suspension is a slap on the wrist when you're looking at the real harm: a chipped tooth, stitches, concussion. The people who suffer are left with broken promises.
I hear you. But from a political standpoint, this is also about public trust in law enforcement. If they appear to get away with violence, it erodes that trust.
Trust. The prosecutor's memo says the phone video does not tell the whole story. That sounds like an excuse, not a defense.
They're saying the police footage paints a fuller picture. It's part of the legal process to consider all evidence before deciding charges.
But we can't ignore how this feeds into the bigger narrative: systemic racism and police brutality. People keep getting hurt for no reason.
You're right about the broader context. Still, each case is judged on its own facts before moving to higher courts or federal investigation.
And yet McNeil's lawyers are already calling for a DOJ probe. That means they think local prosecutors missed something huge.
A federal review could uncover policy gaps, but it also depends on what evidence is brought forward. The current decision reflects the state attorney's view of the facts.
Facts that ignore human cost. How many more people will suffer because the system says, no crime, when there are wounds and bruises?
It's a painful reality, Liam, but we also have to consider how these decisions shape future policing tactics and international perceptions of U.S. law enforcement.
International perceptions. This is a local incident that keeps people in pain. I'm tired of politicians making it sound like a procedural glitch.
I get the frustration. The political side is about balancing public safety, civil rights, and resource allocation. It's not easy to please everyone.
Maybe not, but at least we need accountability. Real accountability that heals the victims instead of just patching up a narrative.
Absolutely, accountability is key, and hopefully this case will spark more transparent investigations moving forward.